Hello everyone, I hope you all doing well. So today we will complete our lessons about how to programming the case. So come with us. Okay guys, as we know we have terms to say when we making a new case. So at first we have Embolizer. We use this term when the car has a security system. So there's a chip inside the key. So when the car has this chip, we call, look here, ignition key, we have a chip inside. So the chip send the signal to the coil. The coil receive the chip, then send it to the ECU to make sure that you are the owner of the car and you are not someone else. So at first this key, when it has the chip, it called Embolizer. All of the system we call it Embolizer. So to make it sure, the Embolizer is a term used when the key has chip. So then we have smart key unit. We use this term for the touch. As we know, the touch key. We have the touch key like this, the touch key. As we know, we just touch the press to start the car. Like this kind of the touch keys. Like this. So this, the touch key. Then we have the term add key. This add key. So the add key means when you want to make a new key. Like we have this key, we lost it, for example. So we have to make a new one. We say I'm adding a new key with, of course, with the apps, programming apps. So then program key. This is a step of making the key. Like apps programming do this step. And we will learn you how to program. It's not a big deal, guys. And here, all key lost. You will see this sentence. You will see it a lot. And we have registration key or remote, as we see here. Registration key or remote. We know this is the key and this the remote control. And we may have a chip inside a key like this. So it's okay. There's a chip inside and it may be inside this key. Copy. When we want to make a new chip, we have to copy the details inside, the data. We have to copy the data and paste it in another chip to make a new chip. And we have guaranteetion. This is contain the hertz, and we know this stuff. And here's the chip. As we know, we have like this, the chip. We have a lot kinds of chip, and this is the chip. As we know, we will talk about keys kinds in the last of the video. So the chip, it may be plastic or it may be aluminum, as we know. So that's all about the new terms we will see in the course or in programming keys in this course. Okay guys, I will explain to you how the operation is going. At first we have the key with the transporter. Okay, as we see, it's not new, I know, but to see it. This is the transporter. It's sending the signal to the contact. When we put the key inside the contact and then turn the car and start it. This transporter sends the signal to the coil. The coil, as we know, here the coil, the blue part. The coil sending the signal to the ECU. Then, first, we have the transporter inside the key. We put the key in the switch, then start the car. You will see the key on the canister in front of you. So when we start the car, the chip sending to the coil, then to the ECU, and the car will start with you. If there is a problem with the chip, your car won't start and you will face a problem. So you have to program the transporter. Like for example, the transporter be inside like this, and it will be hidden, of course, to not lose it. As I mentioned, we have the transporter, it's the chip. So inside this key, there's a chip. I wanna check that there is a chip inside without open the key. And I wanna know the number of the chip. So I use this device, RW4. If you want this device, please text me. I will sell it for you. So at first we will first copy and identification. As we mentioned, here's copy. I tell you before. So we go to check, enter, and then reading in progress. So 46. If I want to make a new chip, I have to get a chip 46. Its number will be 46 to copy this chip to a new chip. So as we mentioned, this is another chip. This is the chip. It's too small. We want to check it, for example. We go here and then read it. It's 48. So if I want to make a new chip, it has to be 48. So let's complete about this operation. After the signal came to the coil and then the transporter key ECU, the car will start. Sorry guys. We have many kinds of keys, as we know. We have this kind, the transporter be inside without remote control. And we have remote control with the key, like this. The transporter inside the chip. And we have the touch key unit, as we mentioned. We use this part when the battery is lost, no battery in the remote control, or it's not working. So we use this part to open the door. Like, as we mentioned. And this is another kind of unit keys. So the transporter may be like this or inside the key, as we see, like this. We can't remove it. It's hard to remove it. We have another operation to remove it, like this, as we see. Two kinds of chip. And we have this kind of key for Mercedes company. It came like this, as we know. We put the key inside and then turn the contain to start. So guys, that's our video today. I hope you understand what we are talking about, and I hope you understand everything. So see you in the next video. Thank you.